Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money on affiliate marketing with ChatGPT. Now, we've been hearing about ChatGPT a lot, but we cannot really exhaust the things you can use ChatGPT to do. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing yet another thing you can use ChatGPT to achieve and make money for yourself, and that is affiliate marketing. Now, I know most of us are already into affiliate marketing, but ChatGPT is going to make it very easy and seamless for you to make a lot of money with it. So if this is something you're interested in, let's dive in. So the first thing you need to do is to come over to clickbank.com. I know most of us have an account on Clickbank. If you don't have an account on Clickbank, or if you live in a country like Nigeria where Clickbank is not available, all you have to do is just click on this link here to select the video, and then after watching this video, go ahead and watch the tutorial on how you can open a working Clickbank account, working verified Clickbank account from any country that Clickbank is banned. You can open it and it works seamlessly. So now we are here on Clickbank, and the first thing you need to do is to get the best offer ever. So the first thing I need to do is to click on top offer, and it's going to bring out the list of top offers. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click here, sort results by rank, and I'm going to select average conversion high to low. So it's going to show me the highest conversion that is available. So here you can see bots live trading room for $2,842.12 is the commission you're going to be getting for this. I'm going to do a dedicated tutorial for this, especially in a new video. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out when I'm going to do the video and subsequent videos to come. As we all know, the highest paying niches in affiliate marketing is finance, health and fitness, softwares. These three are the three major highest paying niches. Then you can talk about productivity and all the rest of them. So have this in mind when trying to get links for your affiliate marketing. So now we are in Clickbank, and we're going to click on top offers to see top offers that are available. And for the purpose of this training, we're going to be going straight up to health and fitness, because health and fitness has a wider audience as against finance. That is trading, business, investing. It has a wider audience than other categories. So you're going to make a lot more money, in as much as the money is a little bit lesser than the one of finance, but the volume is what you should concentrate on because it has a wider audience, right? From what I'm seeing here, this is the highest conversion, $140.93 is what you're going to be getting as commission if you sell this, and is cost per action. Okay, once somebody clicks on your link and performs a certain action, you're going to get $140.93. So let's go ahead and check out the affiliate page. So here is the affiliate page. Make sure you go through it and understand everything that is here. Affiliate terms, you see the terms. Some of them will tell you that you should not do advertising for it. You just use organic reach and all that. So make sure you go through it and understand what they actually want so that you don't default. And here are the email samples. You can copy this and send email blasts if you have an email list. And that is what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video to show you how you can make a lot of money with this. So now that we have checked the affiliate link out and it looks very okay, and it's something that we're going to be promoting. So the next thing we're going to do is to go over to ChatGPT. I'm going to show you what to do on ChatGPT. So now that we have opened ChatGPT, we now need to think of what ebook that you can provide people that people will love and want to have super fast. And then the easiest way, since we're in the weight loss niche, we're going to be writing, generate a 500 words on how to lose 20 pounds in 7 days. I'm sure people are going to rush this one. So now ChatGPT has written an ebook for us. You can go ahead and expand it, ask it to expand it more. To learn how to do this, I've done a video in the past where I shared the command prompts that you can use to turn ChatGPT into God mode. So click here after this video to watch that video, and you're going to learn how to maximize the potentials of ChatGPT. So we're not talking about ChatGPT today. We're just using it as a tool that we're going to use and achieve our goals. So if you want to learn that, click here to watch that video. So now it has generated this for us. The next thing we're going to do is to copy the text that it generated for us. So now we have highlighted the text. The next thing is to just copy, and then we can use it for our ebook. To do the ebook, just in case you don't know what to do and how to do it, I want to show you step by step on how to do this, so that you won't say, oh, it's because I don't know how to do this, that's why I've not been able to make money using this. So I want to show you step by step. So please Join me as I show you this. So go over to canva.com and then here you type ebook. So here we have the ebook. All you have to do is to simply click on anyone that you love, click customize this template, and it's going to open the template for you where you can now customize it on your own. So go ahead and delete all this one. So I love this as the cover. So all we have to do is to come here and get the title, lose 20 pounds in 7 days. So we're going to use that as the title, lose 20 pounds in so here we'll have it. So you can just come here, right? How to. So here we have it, how to lose 20 pounds in 7 days. So we already have our cover and we can just retain this as it is, or you can choose to change it. But for the purpose of this training, I wouldn't want to make this video entirely long. So the next thing we're going to do is to click on add page. So here add page, you're going to add a text. So come here and we'll have this. So we're going to go ahead and drag it up. So we're going to add our text here. So let's go over to ChatGPT and copy here from here to this place. And then come over here and paste it. So now we have it. So make sure it's within the space. You have to give space on both sides. And then the next thing we need to do is to increase the font. Just nothing fancy, but this is okay. You can choose to increase it a little more, just a little more. Increase it to maybe 20. Yes. And then you do the same thing for all of them so that I don't want to waste your time. You do the same thing for all of them. But here is the major part. Please follow through so that you don't miss the most important part. The most important part is this final stage. This is the most important part. So please pay attention so that you don't miss anything. We're going to copy this part. So the part I just copied now is simply, in conclusion, losing 20 pounds in 7 days is a challenging goal and not recommended without consulting a healthcare professional. However, if you are determined to lose weight quickly, you can do so by. So we're going to go ahead and copy this and then come here and paste it here. So assuming we have done every other one, so we're going to paste it here. So here is where you're going to recommend the affiliate product that you're promoting. So all you have to type here is simply, you can do so by trying this product, and then you add the product name. So let's go over to Clickbank and get the product name. So here is Alplane. I hope I got that right. So I'm going to copy the product here and put it here. Okay, and then put a little description about it. So to get the description, all we have to do is to come here, go to the landing page and get the description of the product. All you have to do is to simply copy this and then come over to your write-up and then put the text. So the next thing you want to do is to add your link. This is the most important part. So you type, please click here to learn more about Alplane, and then you are going to highlight here and then come over here to add the link. Here is the link, and this is where you're going to add your affiliate link. It's very important. If you don't get this right, you're going to waste your time and waste your energy and waste your resources for nothing. So this is where you're going to add your affiliate link. So we'll go over to Clickbank to get our affiliate link, and here you can type in your Clickbank ID. So for the purpose of this training, I'm going to just write in ChatGPT. So that is not my ID. I'm just using it for the purpose of this training. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this to my clipboard and come here and paste the link like so and hit on enter. So now this link is active. As you can see, it's highlighted already, and you can go ahead and even change the color so that it stands out, make it bold, increase the size, and change the color to whatever color that best suits you. You can change it to red so that it stands out from the rest. So now while people are reading the ebook and they get to this point, they're just going to click here and it takes them to your affiliate page where they're going to make a purchase and you get your commission. How easy is that? But that's not all you need to do. I'm going to show you more things you need to do to actually make this to work, because if you stop here, you're going to miss out on a whole lot of things that you need to do to make this work. So please stay with me. So what we're going to do is to export this now as a PDF. Okay, we're going to go ahead and export this as a PDF to make sure that we are done with our book. So you use this PDF standard because we're not planning on printing this. So now we have all the page, make sure all the pages are highlighted. So we'll have a 5-page ebook, and then you click on download to download to PDF. So now we have the PDF downloaded. So you can go ahead and click on the PDF to open. So now we have our ebook, and as you can see, it's looking very amazing, readable and easy. And if you click here, it's going to take us straight to our affiliate page. As you can see here, you can imagine. So this is the affiliate page, and this is what your clients, your prospective clients, are going to see. And once they click on here and perform any tasks, you are going to get your commission. That easy. But that's not all you need to do. We need to do something more. As you can see, this is the affiliate page. How cool is that, guys? So the next thing we need to do is to also export the first page. That's the cover design of the ebook. So we can do a 3D mockup design for our ebook that we're going to be using for our promotion, marketing, sales, and all that. So you come over here, click on download, and you can see PNG. Just increase the size. I love increasing my sizes, and uncheck all this and make sure you just check page 1. That is the cover, page 1, and hit on download, and you've downloaded it now. Now that it's downloaded, go over to Canva homepage, and then you see smart mockups. You click on smart mockups. So here you can search for book. So you're going to go through all this to select the one that fits the size of our ebook, the ebook we have. So let's try this out. All right, so let's use this as just for the tutorial, but you can find other amazing types of mockups that you can use. So we're going to go ahead and select the design that we have downloaded. So we're going to select just this first page and click on select. So now we have it here. How to lose 20 pounds in 7 days. So now we have a mock-up. So this is part of the things you're going to be using to do your promo, do your adverts, circulate it, and do anything that you want to do with it. And people are going to get their hands on this ebook. And now we have this. So all you have to do is to click on save mock-up here. Click on save mock-up and then click download. You can choose to use it in a design, or you can just download the picture, and now it's downloaded to our system. So the next thing you want to do, if you want to create more mockups, you can just go ahead and create more mockups. I recommend that you do that. You create more mockups for your adverts and anything. So here you can choose to select this one again and do the same thing again. So this is so amazing how these things work. Like, you don't need to have any skill in writing, you don't need to have any skill in designing, you don't need to have any special skills, but you're going to be making a lot of money using all these tools. So now we have something that we can use for our promos and all the rest of that. You can post it on Instagram, you can post it on your social media, WhatsApp, and all that, and give out the ebook for free, and anybody that gets it, reads it, clicks on the link, you get paid. How cool is that? And the amazing part of this is, instead of just giving out the ebook like that and hoping that people will click on the link, you can use it to build your email list. All you have to do is to design a landing page. It's quite easy, and it's something that you can do. I've done a detailed tutorial, a step-by-step guide on how to do a free landing page, how to design a free landing page. Please click here to watch it. I'll also leave the links to all the videos that I've mentioned in this video in the description, so that you just go to the description and watch them one after the other, because it's very important that you do so in order to get the best out of this. So now, if you have a landing page and put up this book there, anybody that wants the book is going to put in their email address and their name, and then they will automatically receive the ebook in their email. And then when they read the ebook and click on the link, you're going to get paid. And guess what? Even if they don't click on the link, you already have an email list of people that wish to lose weight, because anybody that is signing up for this cannot be someone like me that doesn't have weight at all. It's definitely someone that wants to lose weight. So you have an email list of people that really want to lose weight. Okay, so now you can be sending them subsequent ways to lose weight, and from there you'll be promoting the same link to them in your email blast. So you'll be sending them like a newsletter every week on how to lose weight fast. And as you're sending them those mails, you'll be adding the affiliate links. You can even get more affiliate links and add in different emails, and then you're going to be receiving your commission. And this can be automated. And even to write the newsletter, you can use the same ChatGPT to get this email newsletter. So you can just use ChatGPT to generate a newsletter and send them on a weekly basis and include your affiliate link where they can now click on and then you get commission. This is the way that you can build this, and it's so amazing and it's so easy to do, so easy to achieve, and it's not going to cost you anything. It's going to cost you $0, but it's going to make you at least $140 per sign up. This simply means that if you're able to get 10 people click on your link, you're going to get $1,400 just like that. And this is something that you can achieve in a day if you are able to get people to read the ebook, and if you're able to get people on your email list and then send them newsletters. And imagine how much you can make with this in just 1 week. So please go ahead and like this video if it has helped you in any way. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe for subsequent videos like this. And I recommend that you go watch this video next to learn more ways you can make money online. Thank you for watching and see you on the other side.